Okay, what did we learn today in circle time? Can someone tell me?
What excites me most about the childhood development program is that I just get to work with kids. I've always wanted to work with kids and just learn more about them and genuinely just connect with them.
11 little spots of sunlight, 12 birds shaking their feathers.
I love how hands-on it is, like being able to work with the kids. I feel like it's way more fun than like just sitting down in a normal classroom.
Okay, the end.
CTE works for me.
After we all say the number together, whatever number you...
I actually get to impact their lives, and that's something that inspires me to keep working with them every day.
1, 2, 3.
It's just made me open myself up more and made me just think about my life choices and what I actually need to do, what actually makes me happy in my life.
4.
This program has really helped me kind of like evolve my reasoning of why I want to be a teacher and if I really want to do it. And I would say it's really something that I want to do because I'm very interested in it and I like doing it.
This program will help me in the future because I'll have my certifications and I could go be a teacher at a daycare and I can make money.
I need you guys to find the fish tank.
Now I have a plan of what I'm going to do after high school.
1, 2.
This program just gives me the sense of purpose that I want to do this and I know that I'm sure I want to do this, and it made me sure of this choice.
It's very rewarding, but it is very challenging at the same time. It led me to figure out what I want to do with my future and what I want to go to college for.
A good candidate for this program would be someone very patient, respectful, and caring.
Someone who's has a lot of energy, very active, and wants to work with other people.
Someone who is very patient and mature.
It would help you a lot, and it would make you open yourself up more.
CTE works for me.